Didier Bonnet and Voyage for the Change.
Okay, so the clock is on. I have 5 minutes. I will go quick. So first to introduce, so I started 5-6 years ago. I wanted to find something which makes sense in my life, and I was kind of inspired by my daughter to make happen something different. So I decided to make a film festival focus on large city, meaning the mega cities, more than 10 million inhabitants. There are 38 in the world. And the idea was to share call for entries and to ask citizens, so it's a citizen documentary film festival, no more than 4 minutes for a given video. And we get some video from, let's say, from Shanghai, from Mexico, from Lagos, Kinshasa, London. In Europe, there are only 2 mega cities. And in, hopefully it works, I hope. No, it doesn't work. Good, it works. Good. So 38 mega cities in Europe, only 2 like London and Paris. And in addition, you have like 6 in China, 5 in India, 3 in Africa. So we get some video, short video from those citizens, because it's really a citizen. Even if people who have good ideas, it's better if they have also the skills to make a nice movie, a nice film. So we have some key relationship with like Columbia Journalism School in New York, with same in a lot of countries. So we get on one hand some students who are in the latest year of their study, or some freelance who wants to make something that makes sense in addition of having a job in an agency or whatever. They want also to make something with an impact. So they sent us those videos. So currently we have 400 docs. Very short one, and the first project, I'm going to present 2 in the 5 minutes. And the first one is we are going to edit now every year, because every year we have the festival. We take the 25 most impactful ones. We are going to create a mini series of 5 or 7 26 minutes, and to show roughly to share roughly 20-25 inspiring videos, citizen made most of the time, that we are going to share with the audience of the distributor that will make us the pleasure to distribute such content. So that was the first one. Second one, because so I was not at all in this ecosystem, and because I was kind of motivated with the content we got, for sure we didn't got all the content that we may have as an objective. So I decided also to make happen a film, documentary film, to address some of the topics that were not addressed by the festival. And also I wanted to also work on a film which through the eyes of children. So for 2 reasons. Why is because they are very direct. So when you make them encounter some people, some expert, change maker, they just ask direct the questions. If they don't understand, they say, I don't understand. How can I do myself? So it was very interesting. So it's really a documentary film. So they are not actors, they are just normal kids. And what we did, we started in France, and we went from France to India to Japan, and we ended in California 3 weeks ago. So all the shoots have been done. And the idea is to kind of cross also the culture. So we started with 4 French kids, and then we took one of the 4, the lady with the green shirt, and we we went with her in India. And she met some of the kids in India. And for all the voyage that we did, you had 2 benefits. One is children between them, among them, when they are discussing, they discover new culture. And what seems to be an idea or a new solution in a given country was not even perceived as being a potential one in another country. So you have the really in-between country engagement between the kids and the people that they are meeting, as for example, Mohamed Younous, it was in Paris. They are universal people. I mean, they are addressing all the local, global topics through the discussion they have had with the kids. So in total, it's 20 kids that were part of the journey, of the voyage. It's normal kids. It's not Greta Thunberg or people who are already engaged. It's normal kids. I'm my kid, you are kids. And they are also asking once in a while some, which may be perceived as a silly question, but there are no silly questions. The good thing with kids is that they don't need to go quick, so they just go direct to the point, and they may say to an expert, okay, what can I do to change the world? I'm going to go, okay, we have a quick film to watch, can we lend? And it's the teaser of the film.
child of the world, and we are the future. But today, I breathe toxic air, drink toxic water, eat toxic food. I face inequality, discrimination, and the violence of wars. Even the climate is hurting me now. You adults must change your ways. You make excuses of politics and economics to choose short-term profit over long-term loss.
So today, I reject the status quo. Now, I am taking action.
Children of Mother Earth, awaken.
There is no time. It's now or never. My future would be gone forever. I will run towards the rising sun. I am the Voyager, and I am on a voyage for change.
This is the voyage for change. Voyage for change.
Okay. Yes, your presentation is a little bit longer.
Okay, sorry for that.
So, have you got some questions? No, maybe not now.
Yes, I would like to know how old were the young people and which kind of age do you think they can be interested in such a film?
Okay, so we started with 4 French kids from 14 years old, 13, 14, 15. And when we did the first travel to India, we met with the Indian kids, and one of the Indian boy was only 9-year-old. But he was kind of going through the screen. So at first we thought only to focus on teenager, but then this younger guy went to California. So in addition of being one of the 4 or 5 in India, we also bring him to California 3-4 weeks ago, and he was one of the young. So between, let's say, 9-10 to 14-15.
Okay, I have a question. First of all, thank you for doing this. I think it's very important because very young people are not so well educated about what they have to face for tomorrow. So I think it's very important to do that. But asking simple questions, don't you think that the risk is to have simple answers? And how are you going to cope with this?
Okay, so usually the way we do it is first we let the experts, so the Jean Jouzel of this world, the Jacques Attali, whoever, just kind of explain, and it's very interesting the way they are explaining. Meaning that even for an adult, I prefer to listen to them speaking to children than when they are speaking to a larger audience. They don't speak the same way. So first, not to be simplistic, too simple. So the expert is sharing whatever he wants. But then at the end, when we were, for example, with Jean Jouzel, when he was speaking about the climate, and when the young lady say, "What can I do? What can I do for me in my daily life?" And when he said, for example, if you just manage to do how you eat yourself in your apartment, what do you eat, meat or not meat, and how you travel, and just you need to negotiate with your parents, it will have a great impact. So on one hand, sometimes they are giving some kind of a simple thing, but simple things may be very efficient for a kid to remember in terms of how he needs to change his daily life. And just a quick one, because I had to go very, very quickly. So we first make an attempt for 26 minutes, and we had the opportunity to be presented at Cannes. That was the beginning of the film with the Positive Cinema, and we got an award for coup de cœur du jury, which was a big sign for us because it's independent film making. So we are not from this world. We are just, and the reason when I was there is because we are needed some finishing budget in 4 months. Okay, so. I may ask another question?
No.
I have another question. You talk about moving for 4 minutes to 26.
Okay, so.
And how do you go for to 4 to 20? Is it a thematic approach? What kind of film do you put together?
Okay, so I assume I was not confusing regarding the two topics. Because we were covering two topics. The first one was regarding the megacities, which was the first initiative we started 5 years ago. And on this, we received 4 minutes long. And we are going to combine 4 times 4, 16, plus some experts to make a 26 minutes. And without any specific thematics, because when we are doing, we did some screening with MK2, and what people like in the audience is that when you move from a topic to another topic, from China to Sao Paulo, from Sao Paulo to London, that's what people tell us that they like. So it's not going to be a 26 on a given topic, but a lot of variety. And for the film, it's going to be, so 2 times with what we have done, 2 times 65 minutes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Keep it. Okay.